Hello friends, in this video we will study effects menu, how these options work which are available in effects menu like adjust which contain many options, transform, corrections, artistic media, blend, contour, shortcut key control plus F9, envelop control plus F7, extrude, lens, add perspective, power clip command which contain another many options, rollover, clear effects, copy effects and clone effects. So start with the adjust. So these three options, first three options are used on particularly on picture. Any type of picture which is inserted in Corel, from import you can insert any type of picture and use shortcut key control plus I. So I have already inserted to save time a picture and go in effects, adjust and contrast. First option contrast in adjusted. This dialog box of contrast enhancement will be opened, and to adjust the contrast of your picture you can adjust the contrast from here of your picture like this and adjust the color. Red channel, green channel, blue channel means set the color of your picture from here and adjust the gamma from here. And then click preview option to see the preview. Like this your picture will be see in the original. Before applying OK, you can use preview option and then click OK if you are satisfied with this implementation by you in these options. Then press OK. You see the contrast of your image will be changed. And similarly, if you want to set the local equalization, use this option to set the width and height. Both will be increase like this, both will be increase or decrease. If you want to increase or decrease only one, like only width or height, click on this option, unlock, and then now you see only width will increase decrease and only height will be increase decrease. If you want to both increase similarly same time, then click here this locked button, then means lock them, it means lock them, and you will see both will move simultaneously. So then you will see preview option and then press OK. So it will adjust the local equalization. So next option is go in adjust and sample target balance. It will contain the option of see color balancing. Select the first color from here sample and use this dropper and click here. You can change the color of this, the sample color with the target color. Click on the target, click and mouse double click, then select the color you want to fill here, then press OK and sample color will be changed with the target color. So this is the way to change the color of your see this color of your object. So this in effects adjustment sample target balance are used to change the color of your object, and then next one is used to set the tone of your object. Like from here you can set the tone means brightness and contrast of your, like you want to change like this, from this you can change the contrast and then apply preview. You will see the contrast of your tone of your object will be changed. So these can be changed in curve form. These can be changed in curve form from there, and there are many curve style. You can select from here curve style like this curve style, this curve style and this curve style. There are many curve style which can be selected by you according to your requirement to change the tone of your selected object, selected picture. So next option is adjustment. Go in auto equalization. It will automatically adjust the color, adjust the tone automatically by this option, adjust auto equalization. So next option, to increase or decrease the brightness, contrast and intensity, use shortcut key Ctrl plus B. See three options, brightness, contrast and intensity. You can increase or decrease from here brightness, increase, decrease here contrast and intensity from here, and see the view. See this brightness, contrast and intensity like in TV. See next option, in effect menu, next option, color balancing, to change the color of your picture, cyan or red. If you will move on right side, see cyan color will be adjusted. If you will move on right side, red color, similarly magenta color, green color, similarly yellow color and blue color. So all these options are used like this, and then press OK. You will see how your colors will affect on this picture. So next option in this adjustment is gamma. Set the gamma of your picture. See, if you want to see sample, click here to see the sample. Then move the gamma value and click on preview option. So like this, gamma value of your picture will adjusted. So all these are adjustment according to requirement you can make. So next one is hue, saturations and lightness. So these options are applied. So I apply these option on next picture, on this picture. So we can easily understand, apply on this picture, hue, saturation and lightness. Click here. You will see the options. You can convert your picture in red mode, yellow mode and green mode, cyan mode, and here you can increase or decrease the hue position here and saturations from here, and then lightness from here for your picture. Then see preview and then press OK. So that saturations and hue and lighting apply on your this image. Then next option is selective color. You want to select the color like this, cyan color, select from here. Magenta color, you want to improve the magenta color in your picture. You want to increase or decrease the yellow color in picture. You want to increase black or another different color, yellow, green, you will see cyan. So all these different options you can use to increase the color balancing of selective color of your picture. See this. I think you understand. And then next option is replace color. If you want to replace the color, old color, select old color from here like black color, replace with the new color, this color. Then click OK. You will see the black color will change with the orange color. So you can change the color of your picture with this command, replace color. And last one is desaturate. Use this option. This will remove the color of your image. So these are the effects, adjustment which can be applied on your picture. And similarly we will apply next option, transformation. See how this option will apply. Go in transformation, click on de-trace, click on this option. You will see here duplication and interpolation. Click on the interpolation, apply, then interpolation effect will be applied. Yeah, means all these are effects which will be applied on your image. See again, odd lines, then see preview, then press OK. Your odd lines will be affected on your picture. Use invert option like this. This will invert your picture for printing purpose. This option is used for printing purpose. When you want to get print of your picture, then invert option is used. And similarly, if you want to use next option, posterize, click here and you can increase the level of posterize from here, apply and then OK. You will see some effects. It is very little effect on your picture. Apply, you again and again, then you will see that effect. Then last one, correction, dust and scratch, click here, and this contain the threshold option, like this threshold option, and then radius from here, then press OK. You will see threshold and radius will affect this picture. So I think you got all these options, how these work. Apply yourself, you will see very little effect of these option transformation and correction on this picture, but try you again and again on different pictures, you will see the effect of that options. Next option is artistic